Good morning, all of you. Today I'll be discussing how to group that group the data in Excel. Suppose you have got some numbers. Okay, here I have put from 1750 to 1764. Now you want to group these numbers into different groups. Group A, Group B, Group C, like that. Okay, suppose you want to do that. How you are going to group that in Excel? That's what I'm going to tell you today. The command for that is, there is a command ran between 1 to 4. So this will give a number between 1 and 4, and with that number it will choose from this group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. It will choose one number and it will put it here. Okay, so here the first value would have been 4. That's why it gave Group D here. Okay, this is how we do that. We'll do another example. We are copying this data, putting it here. Okay, and then we are going to give the command equal to choose the command and rand between. Okay, suppose I want to group it into 3 groups. Okay, we'll try that one. Okay, so I want a random number between 1, 3. Okay, I'm closing that, and then I'm telling what to select. So here this is just group A, group B. I forgot to put the, so here group B and group C. Okay, so I got a value here, group C. So I'm going to drag it down. Okay, so this is the result you got. So the first number will go to the group B. So what we wrote here, it came. So actually I didn't put the gap here. That's why the group B came like this. So this is how you can sort, and now you can sort it based on this group. Okay, you can 2 columns are there. You can group it or sort it. Okay, now the group has been made. Now we can sort that based on the group. So this is how you can generate random groups. Now I'll show the next example. So here you can count here how many are there. Group B 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are there. Group C how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Group A 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 6, 7 are there. So for 15, a total number of data is 15. So here we didn't get a uniform. One group has got 7, another has got 4, 4 like that. So suppose if we change here to 4, that means I want to get a random number between 1 and 4, and then I'll put here. See here, thing is that whatever you write, that come. So here I'm just putting D alone, and then we'll see what is coming. Okay, so here, and then I'm dragging it down. So now D has also come. Okay, so D, 3 numbers in the group D, and like that. Okay, so thing is that whenever you open and close this Excel file, or you make any changes in the Excel file, the rand between value will change. So once you are settled, or once you are finished, you should copy that and then paste it into another as values only. Otherwise it will keep on changing. So now what is the problem here? The problem is, see here, the number of members in group B is more. Okay, so how can you restrict that, or you are telling, yeah, in group A the number should be same as in group B, group C, group D. So what to do with that? So I'll tell you that. So this is the example for that. So here this is the name of the persons. I have just put from A to N, and then here's a random number. We have generated a random number. Then one rand. Okay, to generate random number is the rand function, and then I'm using the rand function for getting this group. Here we can say how many. I'll show the how many persons should be in that group. So I'm copying this one from here. This is I am pasting here. So and here the heading and the number group. Okay, here I am giving the function and then I'm pulling it down. So you can see here the group, this is changing. So whenever we make any change in a in the Excel, that will change. So you have to be careful. You have to copy that and paste it somewhere else. Now I'm going to drag this down. So you have created a random number for each name. Now you're going to use this random number. There's a formula for that. Okay. So here you're using roundup and then rank. Okay. Roundup and rank. See what is a roundup means you're rounding the value. That's it. And roundup. Roundup means this article discusses the formula and syntax uses rounds a number up away from 0. Okay. So suppose you give the roundup here, roundup 3.2 comma 0 to 0 decimals. The result will be 4. Okay. Roundup 76.9 comma 0 means 77. Okay. Roundup 3.114159 comma 3, it will give you 3.142. So this is the expression for roundup, and for rank returns the rank of a number in the list of numbers. Okay, so rank of 3 point, so this is, I'll show you that what is the rank from the list. It will select a rank, that's all. Okay, so this is the data A3 to A6 and rank of A3, that is 3. Okay, A2 to A6, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, rank of A3, 3.5, the rank is 3. Okay, that's the results coming. Okay, so I'll show you that function. So round up and using rank, you have to do you have to group it. So I'll show you how you can do that. Equal to round up and then rank and this is a number, comma, and what is the reference of that. Okay, reference is from here to here. Okay, and then comma, I mean closing that. Digit, how many digits? So, okay, yeah, here See how I selected is that rank of this particular number I2, and this is the random numbers, entire random numbers that we are going to use in the rank. And here you can see 1 divided by 3, that is telling you want 3 members to be in one group. That's what you are telling here. Divide by 3. That's why I2 to I50 means from here to here you are selecting the random numbers and then divide by 3. That means in each group you want three members. Okay. Divide by, now I'll put 2. Okay, and see. So one thing you have to do is that you have to lock it. Okay, otherwise when you're pulling down the location will change. So here I'm locking it, referencing. Okay, and then I am pulling this down. So what I had given here, I had given 2 here. So each group will have two members only. You can see here 1 1 2. Okay, 5 1 5 here, another 5 here. Okay, so here as you can see the largest one is 7. Okay, so this group or 15 or 14 numbers are here. 14 numbers has been grouped into 7 groups. Okay, 7 into 14. So suppose I am going to change here 3. Okay, I'm going to put 3 here. Okay, so what I'm telling, I am telling I want 3 members in the group. Okay, that's only 3 members in one group. So I'm pulling this down. So here you can see 5, how many are there? 5, only one is there. Why? Because 14 are there and we are telling each group should contain 3 only. So you take the case of 3, group 3. Okay, group 3, how many are there? One here, one here, one here. So 3. So 5, only 2 are there, then only the 14 will come because 14 is not a multiple of 3. That's why it came like that. So now I'll try another example. I'll give here 1. Okay, I want each group to have 1. Okay, I'm putting here. Okay, and then I'm pulling down. Okay, so each group will have one number only. So this is the, here we couldn't restrict the number of members in one group, but here we can restrict. So I'll try one more. I'm telling 5. Sorry, we cannot do like that. Select one top, and then I'm putting here 5. I'm putting, okay, 5, and then I am going to pull it down. So what I'm telling here, I'm telling one group should have 5 members. Okay, okay, so it has been grouped into three groups. Okay, 3 groups. 14 total, that total persons is 14, and that 14 has been grouped into three groups, with each group having 5 members. Maybe one group will be having less because it is 14. So you can see here, we just let us see 3, how many 3 are there? 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 4 are there. In the case of 2, how many are there? 2 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yeah, I hope you understood how to group a group data in different groups in Excel. I told you 2 methods. I told you one method you cannot restrict the numbers. In the second method you can restrict the number of persons in each group. And now if you can sort it. Okay, sort it based on the group, and you will get members in one group together. So this is what I want to tell you today. Hope you understood. Thank you.